Hello everyone, this is Jessica from Selling Paper. Today, we are going to talk about tattoo pointers. In our daily life, traditional hand-painted and the slow pointing of the tattoo transform paper are the most painful things for the tattoo artist. But these pointers can be solve these problems. In this video, I will show you how to use it simply and quickly. This tattoo pointer can be connected to the Bluetooth of the mobile phone, and the image can be selected for pointing in the application, which means you will not need to do secondary hand paintings and directly use the image draw on the PC tablet for pointing. Let's try it. Let's turn on the phone and connect to the mobile phone. Select the painting we need to point, and then put our transform paper into the pointer. Let's start pointing to see how the pointing speed and the pointing effect are. Obviously, the pointing speed is really fast. The pointing effect is very good. Let's see the comparison with other transform pointers on the market. It can be seen that this pointer is particularly excellent compared to the other products on the market. Let's try our pointed transform paper. Well, this is the end of our tattoo pointers introduction videos today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in our tattoo pointers or have any questions, you can leave comments or contact us. And if you like this video, you can give us likes or subscriptions. Thank you. See you next time.